8 Great Faceless YouTube Channel Ideas You Need to Consider. For a time now, I have been debating creating my own YouTube channel. And I completed it this past week. However, you won't be able to see my face at all if you look at my first channel. To be quite honest, I'm camera shy, and the very thought of a camera sweeping in my direction makes me cringe. Fortunately, there are approaches to launch a YouTube channel without ever revealing your identity. And if, like me, you want to start making films but, for whatever reason, aren't ready to introduce yourself to the world just now, or ever, keep reading. I'll list 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas in this article that you may start right away. 8. Life hacks. You've probably seen a life hack video even if you're simply casually looking through your phone or perusing the web. You can learn fascinating tiny tips from these films that will make your life a little bit more convenient. Life hacks might include everything from clearing a clogged drain to repairing a dining chair's short leg. Bring out your inner MacGyver and demonstrate your incredible skills to the world. It would be wonderful if we could catch a peek of your face and congratulate you on your brilliant life hacks, but it's entirely alright if you don't want to. The subject of life hacks is ideal for an anonymous YouTube channel. 7. Quizzes. Do you have an infinite supply of trivia? Or perhaps you enjoy watching game shows a lot? If yes, you might want to think about launching a YouTube quiz channel. Your content will be focused on your trivia questions, so you may do this without ever displaying your face. Using images, music, and video that you can acquire from the internet, there are lots of entertaining ways to make channels like this. Additionally, your quizzes don't need to be difficult. They could be tests based on well-known tunes or animated characters. Need some inspiration to get going? Channels like the Quiz Channel and Funny Fry Quiz are worth watching. 6. Quotes. People are inspired by famous quotes in a variety of ways. They can also instruct or amuse. You may build a YouTube channel with no users and only quotes. Just be sure the quotations you use are not covered by copyright. Being charged with an infringement violation is the last thing you want to happen. You could try writing your quotes as a concept. If you are artistically inclined, you can launch a poetry YouTube channel and capitalize on the success of Instagram poetry. To improve the viewing experience for your audience, think about including music and eye-catching graphics. You can start gathering your work into a book once your channel gains popularity and sell it to your committed fans. 5. Meditation. The best channels for meditation are. Even those who don't technically practice meditation regularly observe them. I belong to the group. Every time I'm feeling overwhelmed and just want to relax, I prefer to turn on these meditation channels. Not only can meditation be a lucrative business venture, but it can also be extremely beneficial to countless numbers of individuals. Meditation and Healing, a channel in this market, with more than 1 million followers. These types of channels can be made profitable in a number of ways. You can sell meditation courses and other digital goods in addition to earning money from YouTube advertising. 4. Podcasts. If you're wondering, what about podcasts? You're supposed to listen to podcasts, right? Exactly, I agree. They are therefore ideal for launching a YouTube channel without any users' faces. People that subscribe to a podcast do so to listen to it rather than to view it. So instead of recording your podcast and deleting it, start one instead. The majority of content producers already do this. Podcasting with video is now a thing. The easiest way to make things simple is to talk continuously while one photo is uploaded to YouTube. But it's not suggested. It might put off some folks. It is advisable to use some moving images to demonstrate your points, such as charts or collections of video clips. By doing this, you expand the range of potential customers you may connect with. While some consumers only want to listen to your podcast, others might like to view engaging graphics. 3. Quick tutorials. The most obvious kind of YouTube channel you can make is possibly this one. What do individuals say initially when they want to learn something quickly? Hold on while I visit YouTube. There are several tutorial videos on YouTube. No matter how basic anything is, if you know how to do it, you can start a channel based on your knowledge. The best part is that you can do this without revealing your face. Even if you are stunning, some individuals are just more interested in learning something quickly than they are in gazing at your face. You can create faceless tutorials in PowerPoint, Google Slides, and, this is my personal favorite, Doodly, among other places. But if you have some extra cash, I strongly advise it. I generated a few films using their site last week in less than 2 hours despite having almost no experience with video editing. That should be very clear. 2. Personal development. A nameless YouTube channel fits the personal development niche well. The success of some YouTube personal development channels is largely due to the use of animated videos. Better Than Yesterday and Improvement Pill are two of my favorites. They not only have a sizable following, but their videos are also interesting and compelling. Once you start watching these films, it's difficult to stop. I would classify my first channel as operating in this niche, and I will follow the examples set out by the channels I just listed in doing so. Personal development is a pretty broad issue, so bear that in mind. How do I attain personal development? Is a question no one ever asks. If you consider entering this market, you should choose a specific subject that offers solutions to difficulties. To do this, look at Google Trends to find hot subjects that are worth discussing. You can then conduct some keyword research. You may uncover keywords that can help you rank higher in search results more quickly using a variety of online tools. 1. Historical explainer videos. This is one of my personal favorites because I've always had a little interest in history. Simple History is one of the YouTube channels I subscribe to. It is a superb illustration of a nameless YouTube history channel. Sincerely, this is the kind of channel I want to launch. I'd probably begin one eventually. The amount of study required to make a quality history channel is the sole reason I haven't done it yet. And when I say good, I mean interesting historical details that are rarely talked about. I'm not referring to the dull reading assignments from school. If I ever decide to launch a history channel, I want people to love history rather than find it boring. If you're looking for ideas for anonymous YouTube channels, the sky is the limit. Almost any subject is open for discussion.